1996 Ford Mustang GT Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax. 149,312 on the odometer at the moment. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Speaking of the hood, we do have some oxidation to the paint, as you can see on the top of it. We've got a little stress going on up here in this front corner where it's cracked and showing some spider webbing, some touch up. So is the paint perfect? No. Is it a fun car to drive in the summer? Put the top down? Absolutely. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Power top works, and I'll show you how that functions in a bit. All right, still pictures. So you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. And there are, like I said, some stressed areas up on this front fascia, down below. And it does have a front end cover that goes with it if you'd like to cover that up and put the front end cover on. So we'll put that back in the trunk, send it along with it. Krager chrome wheels. I believe the center caps were Krager's anyway, so I'm assuming those are Krager wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. So camel, colored interior, as well as the top, and that'd be vinyl. That automatic with overdrive. Center console, bucket seats. There's what I mean by the center, or Krager center cap. You can see that. And again, black paint has a few imperfections here or there. It's one of those, if you want a drop top, fun sports car with a V8 in it without breaking the bank, here you go. It does have newer dual exhaust after the cat's back, and it is complete dual exhaust front to rear. Cats are still in place. Like I said, it's just newer behind the cats, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures on the underside. Of course, the GT wing, convertible top cover. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. Mentioned the cruise control works. Power seat works. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor if you can make it see us in person. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Jason will take it for a drive at the very end of the video, show you how it goes down the road. So, of course, your monitor amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Mentioned the power seat over here on the driver's side. Give you a good look at the leather seats. Yes, they're showing how the natural hide wrinkles, as you'd expect, with the leather. Of course, the cruise control and the steering wheel tilt column. Stock AM/FM CD player with cassette. There's the exact miles. Can you see that? 149,312. There you go. Take a look at the top of the dash. Nice shape. Clock is in working order, as well as the stereo. CD player down below. Cassette up top. Nice sounding car. Let's listen. A little rumble coming out of that 4.6. 281 cubic inches. All right, let me pause this a second. We'll get this hood open, check out that engine bay. I'll show you the condition of the top and how it functions going up and down, and Jason will take it for a drive. There's a good look at the hood liner and engine bay. So this will be a single overhead cam. V8 modular motor. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Not bad at all. Smooth runner too. Alright, let's go ahead and get this convertible top up. Check out the condition of that. Get Jason to take it for a drive. And convertible top up, so power top functions as it should. Be a camel or tan colored vinyl. Nice fit above the windshield, rolled up the side glass. We can see how that fits also. Nice fit there. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window with electric defog. A little bit of kind of discoloration down on the bottom. But if you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun, it's going to do just fine. Side glass passenger side also fits nicely. Yeah, just a few spots. Got some discoloration. No rips, tears, or holes. I will show you it going back down and folding up into the storage compartment. Stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. 1996 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving the 1996 Ford Mustang convertible, and we have the top down today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Our turn signal indicators are working. Our gauges appear to be working. The fuel shows a full tank. The oil pressure a little over half. battery also a little over half on the gauge. That's usually what you want to see. Temperature just coming up to a quarter of the way. You can hear that healthy engine. Nice exhaust note coming out the back of this car. If you're getting any wind noise, that's just the nature of driving with the top down. Currently there is a steering wheel cover on the steering wheel. Horn's working. Nice road feel to this Mustang. When you get to the 90s, they were very predictable, handled as you would expect, responsive, easy to drive. The AC blows cold in this car, the wipers work. Stereo also working. Looking pretty good with that darker beige against the black. Brakes nice and smooth. Exactly the way you want. Power windows, power seats. Tachometer and speedometer appear to be working. Corners well. Very easy to drive. I'd say one of the easiest to drive eras of Mustang, and this being an automatic, even easier. Have some fun in this black Mustang convertible. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.